Every year, the DJI's Mini lineup gets a little more capable, and right now, the buzz online isn't about a current product, it's about what could be coming next. The DJI Mini 5 Pro shook things up when it landed, packing a bigger sensor and smarter flight tech into a drone that still weighs under 250 grams. But barely a year later, leaks are already pointing toward its successor, and if even half of what's being discussed turns out true, DJI might be sitting on something special. So, today we're putting the confirmed DJI Mini 5 Pro side by side with everything currently rumored about the DJI Mini 6 Pro. And by the end, you'll have a clear picture of whether waiting actually makes sense. Let's ground this in what we actually know. The DJI Mini 5 Pro isn't some budget afterthought anymore. It shipped with a 1-inch 50-megapixel CMOS sensor, something that felt almost unheard of in a sub-250-gram drone just a few years ago. Add in 4K high frame rate footage, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and DJI's O4 Plus transmission system, and you've got a drone that genuinely competes with gear twice its size. It's precisely because the Mini 5 Pro raised expectations this high that people are now wondering just how far DJI can push things with the next model. Here's where things get interesting. The single most talked about leak surrounding the Mini 6 Pro centers on a next-generation stacked CMOS sensor. Now, this isn't just a spec bump. Stacked sensors read data faster, which reportedly means less rolling shutter and noticeably better low-light performance. For anyone shooting fast action or flying at dusk, that's not a nice-to-have. That's the difference between usable footage and garbage footage. Alongside this, community chatter suggests DJI could be aiming for 6K recording. Though I need to stress this part clearly, nothing here is official. Treat 6K as an aspiration circulating among leakers, not a confirmed spec.
Beyond the sensor talk, expectations are building around DJI's AI tracking system. Reports suggest the Mini 6 Pro could feature more refined subject recognition, better distinguishing between people, vehicles, and even wildlife, all while keeping the framing steady mid-flight. Then there's obstacle avoidance. The Mini 5 Pro already handles this well, but rumors point toward improved side sensing and faster low-light object detection, likely powered by a new processor. None of this is locked in yet, but if DJI delivers, flying in tricky environments could feel noticeably safer. Battery life is the one complaint that follows every mini drone, and apparently DJI knows it. Rather than simply enlarging the battery, which would risk pushing the drone over that crucial 250-gram limit, leaks suggest DJI may focus on efficiency instead, smarter power management, and more efficient motors. As for the design itself, don't expect a dramatic redesign. Industry chatter suggests DJI is likely sticking with the familiar folding mini shape, since it's clearly working, and instead pouring resources into internals like cooling and antenna performance. As for a release date, there isn't one. DJI hasn't announced anything, and any timeline you see floating around online is pure speculation at this point. So where does that leave you? If you already own a DJI Mini 5 Pro, there's genuinely no confirmed reason to rush toward an upgrade you can't even buy yet. Confidently, if these rumors land, a stacked sensor, sharper AI tracking, and tougher obstacle avoidance, the DJI Mini 6 Pro could end up being the most capable ultralight drone DJI has ever built. Would you wait for it, or is the Mini 5 Pro already enough for you? Drop your take in the comments, hit like if this breakdown helped, and subscribe so you don't miss the moment DJI actually makes this official.